Yeah. Oh my God, yo. Oh my God, yo.
All right, we're rolling. So this is Michael, this is my buddy. This is 2013 STI, and we're gonna be putting a full Namless exhaust on it. Catback. Oh shit, bud. Those are rusty.
Yeah, it's pretty rough.
Holy fuck.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yep.
Okay.
Told you.
Yeah. Those might just break off once I get it. Once I get it off the mounts. Why don't you start it up so we can hear what it sounds like? So this is the full stock exhaust, right?
To my knowledge, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Not bad.
Yeah, not bad. Show him the interior. This is a great car. He crashed a deer, and he just had a whole bunch of body work done to it, right?
It was like 10 grand worth of stuff.
Yeah, that's insane. There you go. So we're working on pulling the bolts from right beneath the cats, below the cats. That's what we're doing. So, hey, let me see that. So we got the car on ramps. We gotta take those two out, which leads all the way down. So it's literally 6 bolts for the whole thing and 2 hangers. Super easy. Those ones are brand new hardware. The other ones are so rusty, I'll probably just take it off the hangers and then probably break them off. I don't know, but yeah. Hand the camera to Michael and I'll get going on that. So yeah, we got the first 2 studs out and we're just gonna work on that other side. Hopefully I don't have to move the ramps, but we'll see. So yeah, let me get out from underneath this thing. Oh, so the studs right there. Helps that they weren't rusty. They were touched, so. All right, I'll give this to him. And so what makes this easier is getting an exhaust hanger tool. All right.
Oh, that's gross. Oh my God. Dude, that's so loud.
What you want it to sound
No,
like.
dude, that doesn't really sound like good to me, you know? Like it's loud.
Sounds like it's got a hella exhaust.
Yeah. All right, stop.
Good?
Yeah.
Good.
Might be a little sketchy coming down, but that's
Is it on the rim?
no. At least this side isn't. No, both sides are good. This one just like skirted back a little bit whenever you so while you're going down, it's like a little.
Oh, that's fine.
It's fun. Yeah.
Pretty chunky, but the rest of the car looks pretty clean, honestly. So I'm gonna use this tool. I'll spray those off and with this shit, and we're gonna use this tool and pop those off, and this whole thing should be off in probably 10 minutes. So, all right. I'm just gonna try it without spraying it first.
I don't know. I don't want to
see that.
I want to get rust in my face. Oh my God! Look at that.
That's what's nice about buying the proper tool.
Dude, you just hit that flange and it just about blew up.
Which flange? Oh, there's another one over here.
Where?
Is there?
No. Oh yeah. There's another exhaust hanging over here.
Okay. Well, let me go get this one. See if I can do this one-handed so you folks can see it. Yeah.
I haven't even seen the exhaust in person, have you?
No, not yet. There's one.
There you go. Oh.
Oops.
A bumper.
That probably came out right
It's a
there.
bumper clip.
Yeah, that came out right there.
I'll just pop her back in. Look at that.
Perfect.
Wait.
There you go.
Look at that.
Like nothing ever happened.
Alright, let me get on this side.
Got it?
Oh yeah, she's heavy.
All right, just let it down slowly.
Other side. Is the other side still in?
It shouldn't be.
No, it's out. It's out.
Oh, there's a hanger in the middle. That's why.
Oh, this one's a little difficult.
Here, let me see.
It's a little difficult.
You see where I'm holding it? I'm just holding it like this.
Yep.
Here, why don't you come out and I'll do it.
It's a little. Maybe I don't have the technique.
Oh, you almost had it. Bud.
Yeah, I almost had it. Oh.
Okay. I caught it with my body.
Did you?
Yeah.
All right. Roll out. Holy shit.
So we're at 69%. We got the full original thing off. You want to grab the other side, Michael? We're gonna put it in front of your car.
Yep. Tetanus shot.
Watch it.
We need a tetanus shot.
Yeah. Everybody thinks we're probably crazy in this apartment parking lot, but that's okay. We're right here. I pay for the spot. All right, so let's see what we got. So I'm gonna work from the back to the front. I think that'll be a little bit easier. He got burnt tips, whole Namless setup, whole Catback setup. So, man in USA. Are you excited, Mikey?
Oh, I'm excited.
Okay, good. So we got the tips on, and like I said, I'm just working my way back. Next is the axle, this middle piece right here, you know what I'm talking about. So we got it all finished. There's Michael, say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, looks good. Everything's tight. We're ready for a first start. Let me make sure there's no tools or nothing underneath here.
Yeah. Oh my god, yo. Oh. Yo. Burning out all that shit.
Oh, that sounds fucking gas. Dear God.
Holy shit. That is.
You like it?
That is louder than I expected, but
That's perfect.
how cold?
That's just as loud as mine.
How cold is that? Well, that's a cold start.
Yeah. That's just as loud as mine.
I'm very happy. Very happy.
Good.
Oh.
Sound test in his 2013 STI with the full Namless axle back, or no, Catback. That's gas.
That sounds pretty gross, dude.
Oh, that's gross.
I'm gonna get in some trouble with this bad boy. I'll let him go. Yeah, that's fine. He can go.
Oh, hell yeah. Dude, that sounds nuts.
What did you do?
I made your car better. You're welcome. There's the Stady.
Should I get in the left lane?
Where are you going?
Bank.
No, go straight then.
Yeah,
Take a right.
yes,
Which bank are you going to?
The one right across from the exit of the highway.
Oh, okay. Hell yeah, man. This sounds like a real Subaru boy. Nice shift knob.
Billet works.
Billet works. Stock gauge cluster. Or stock OEM boost gauge, Subaru boost gauge, which is crazy, I think. I didn't know they made those. There's all the metal in the back. Dude, I love your car. I felt bad when you hit a deer in this damn thing. Nice downshift, man. You've been practicing.
Yes, sir. Dude. Kind of ironic.
It's actually not that bad.
It's kind of ironic that the first drive we get in the exhaust, we get stuck behind a state fucking trooper.
I know. It's hilarious.
Motherfucker.
When the light turns green, let him go for a few feet and then you go, so it's not as loud.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But yeah, this is a sick car. I remember you let me drove this back from Vermont one day, man, when you picked it up.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I was very impressed with it.
That was when I was
liked it.
Too chicken shit scared to drive it.
Mm-hmm. Awesome. Your engine sounds good.
Yes, sir. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Imagine when you actually ring this thing out, dude. It's gonna be nuts. You're gonna cum your pants.
I already am, bro. I need him to go a different way than me.
I know, dude. We're chilling, bro.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
STI, bud.
We're not talking about the one you don't want.
No. Dude, I would be very happy with this car. I love my WRX though, but there's something about an STI, man. It just smells different in here. Everything's just so, you know,
It's just
performance.
Full leather, baby.
I know, it's leather. It's insane.
This is the
Heated
limited
seats too, right?
sunroof. Yeah, it's the pretty much the top of the line. It's the limited with the tech package.
That's sweet, man. And we think it's stage 1.
Yeah, we're not sure though.
We're not sure though. It definitely
It's something.
Something's done to it.
You got the access.
Yeah, it's got access port shit in it. It's definitely had something done to it. We don't know if it was married or not. If it was a married tune, that's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, expect more videos like this. I do shit like this on my free time, so.
Expect a Cobb tuning video real quick.
Oh yeah, you want to tune this now?
Oh my god, I don't want to go past him.
What the fuck is that guy doing? Jesus Christ, I got that all on camera. Driving like across the road.
That's how you get fucking hit.
Yeah.
Is that a Forester Wilderness? No, that's not. It's a boring Forester.
But all right, my camera's dying. Expect more shit like this. Michael,
Yes,
say
sir.
bye.
Bye.
I'm sure we'll see his car again. So
Yes, sir.
thanks everybody for watching. Bye.